up, everybody. Claw time here, and I'm a little excited. So, story time. Spoiler, I have my other machine, my gumball machine in a location now. Haven't collected it yet, but seems to be doing good because I stopped by there to eat lunch. I got it in a barbecue restaurant. While I was there, the manager told me they have a surprise for me. I was expecting like a t-shirt or something like branded by the barbecue place, and they come out with something way better. Let me show you. Probably guess what it is already. Boom. There's like a little piece of gumball in the shirt. That, I got another gumball machine. I've already cleaned up and everything. Now, it came with this, but it's broken, the door, so I'm gonna have to probably buy a replacement. Not sure how much it'll be, but I'll figure that out. But yeah, I have a brand new, or not brand new, but another gumball machine. It's an older one, but I've cleaned it up to make it look pretty nice. So let's give it a little test. I have a quarter, insert it, and twist. Oh, there goes a piece of a gumball. Yep, and there it goes, yep. That's why I need a new shoe. But yeah, got a gumball. Chew that later. So that's pretty much all I have. I'm gonna cut some clips of me cleaning and fixing up the machine. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. If not, then don't. And if you really enjoyed and you would like to see more of this kind of content, please subscribe. And I will see you next time.